In this video, we're going to talk about Christian blog post ideas. Hey, it's your girl Steph Rodness, founder and CEO of God That Would Grow and creator of the God That Grow School of Business. And I'm super excited to come back for part 3 of our 4-part series on Christian blogging. If you missed parts 1 and 2, check out the description box below so you can watch the entire series, get caught up, and start your own Christian blog. If you're not already subscribed to the God That Grow YouTube channel, sis, my goal for this channel is for it to be the #1 resource for every woman of faith who wants to live her greatest purpose for Christ. So if that's you, hit that subscription button and let's dive into how to find Christian blog post ideas. So step #1 is to get really clear on the purpose of your blog. If you're writing about everything in their mama, then it's going to be really hard for you to be able to come up with content because you're going to feel overwhelmed by all the possibilities all the time. Don't do that. Get really crystal clear on the purpose of your blog. And if you don't yet know what God purposed you to do, make sure you grab my free Find Your Purpose toolkit by going to purposegift.com, where I show you how to find God's purpose for your life based off the Word of God. Step #2 is to utilize Google, sis. So Google has this amazing thing where if you type in a question on Google and you scroll down, there's this little box that says people also ask. And that is where you're going to find an amazing, enriched database of questions that you can answer for your blog articles. But you got to start with the purpose of your business. That's why it's really important to know the purpose of your blog. So for here at God That Would Grow, the purpose of my blog is to empower women of faith with the resources they need to live their purpose, right? So every single one of my blogs helps you to live your purpose by the grace of God. So if I were going to try to find other blog post ideas, and I would go to Google and type in how to find my purpose and then see what people are also asking in regards to that subject, right? So now I have all those beautiful blog ideas. And step #3 is to use something called BuzzSumo.com. So BuzzSumo.com is another website with an amazing resource, and it just aggregates all of these blog articles that are trending online. So the way that you can use this to your advantage is to type in the purpose of your blog. Again, for me, I would type in how do I find my purpose, and take a look at all the trending articles that have to do with that. Now, the ones that are trending the most, go ahead and read those articles and figure out a different spin that you can take on that topic and then create your blog article. Not only do you know that there's social proof that people are really interested in this, but now you're able to have an amazing idea that really helps people and helps you get rid of horrible writer's block. So that's it for the 3 steps of how to find Christian blog post ideas. If you have any other comments or tips or resources that you use for your post ideas, please comment below, let me know. And if you're not already subscribed to the God That Grow YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscription button. My goal for this channel is for it to be the #1 resource for every woman of faith who wants to live her greatest purpose for Christ. So if that's you, hit that subscription button. And sis, if you are ready to move into starting your purpose-driven business online, you've been thinking about this for a long time, you know God purposed you to be an entrepreneur, but you're not quite sure where to start, come and join me in the God That Grow School of Business, where I teach you how to do what I do at God That Would Grow, which is to create an online business using amazing sales funnels. And if you kind of aren't sure you want to get started yet, but you just want to do a little research on what it takes to launch a purpose-driven business, grab my free 5 P's of Purpose-Entrepreneurship ebook that teaches you the 5 fundamental steps of creating a purpose-driven business online. You can grab it by going to purposelegend.com/business. The link is in the description box of this video. Thanks so much for watching, Sister of Christ, and I'll see you at God That Would Grow. Hey love, thanks so much for watching this video on my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and click the subscribe button so you can get brand new videos that God That Would Grow releases. My mission with the God That Grow YouTube channel is for it to empower at least 5 million women of Christ to get unstuck, stop feeling frustrated, and start living God's greatest purpose for their lives. So if you want to join that movement, make sure you click the link below to join me in the God That Grow School of Purpose, where I literally teach you how to start living God's greatest purpose for your life step by step. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.